Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to show you the January 2020 Double Shot Kit. Can you believe it's 2020 already? This is a perfect time to jump in and subscribe to the kits. The Double Shot Kit is the smaller of the kits, so it includes 2 collections each and every month with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. And then we also have the Flavors of the Month, which is the larger kit with 4 collections. You can subscribe and get them every month automatically, or you can jump in and out and choose the months that you want to receive them. Along with your kit, you'll also receive 2 recipe cards for 2 double-page layouts designed by the design team. They'll include cutting and assembly instructions as well as a full color photograph of the finished layout. So that's a great way to be inspired as soon as you get your kits. You can take inspiration from them and go with it, or you can follow it exactly with all of the instructions that they give you and make some really quick, adorable layouts with your kits each month. This month, it's all about winter and fun and just 2 really awesome kits. They're just wonderful and I know you're going to love them. So this month we have Little Lumberjack from Echo Park, and from Doodlebug we have Winter Wonderland. So you can see you're going to have a lot of fun this month with your double shot kit. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these. Our first collection is Little Lumberjack from Echo Park, and this is just an adorable collection. It's perfect for your little guys as well as your big guys, or just documenting anything outdoors or even a country farmhouse. So if you're in love with the buffalo check, you're going to want this collection. We're going to start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock, 1 sheet of maraschino cardstock. Your pattern paper starts with this adorable little bear print that has the buffalo check and the black and white, the red and black, and then the black and gray. And then we have a wood grain bear and then the red and the black. The back is a fun wood grain. This paper is called Exploring. This one, that's the cross cut of the trees. And the back is a plaid in the red and black and then a creamy color. This one is called Be Brave. And then we have this paper that's the constellations on black. And the back is this fun kind of whimsical take on a map. So we have the outdoor animals, the moose, the bear. We have trees, we have tracks, feathers, the little rivers and roads and trails. This one's called Constellations. So you can see it's perfect for all of your outdoor photos. So that's your pattern paper. Your embellishments is going to be the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have lots of the icons from the buffalo check to a realistic design. There are, the lanterns, little round, lots of labels and things with words and phrases on them, as well as just fun icons that you think of for the outdoors. I love some of the quotes: chopping wood and looking good, Little Lumberjack, the bravest thing you can be is yourself, wild and free. So you can see there's lots of directions you can go. Take your cues from some of the phrases and words on your sticker sheet, and you will have so much fun creating with this collection. Our second collection from Doodlebug is Winter Wonderland. This is a fun, whimsical, sweet winter collection that's perfect to document any of your outdoor adventures or even just your children in their little winter gear and their mittens. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock and 1 sheet of romance cardstock. Your pattern paper is this fun paper. This one's called Hit the Slopes, and it has the snow-covered mountains with the ski lifts, and then all these cute little animals that you're going to see throughout the collection: the little fox, the moose, the snowmen, the trees. It's just really adorable. The back is a large polka dot in all of the different colors in this color scheme for this collection. This one's called Nightfall, and I love this print. It's a play on florals and snowflakes kind of combined together, so super cute. The back is a little snowflake and a dot, 2-toned, kind of that bluish purple color. This one's called Just Chillin', and it's the diagonal stripe with all the different colors, and the snowmen in all of their cute winter gear. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to receive one of the jelly clips. So these will vary. I got the cute little snowman, so he's just that kind of jelly foam. A fifth a pack of the glitter sprinkles. So these will vary as well. I got the kind of turquoise color. And a sixth a pack of the Chit Chat. So these are the ephemera pieces, the little die cuts, so they will vary as well, but you can see all of the cute, adorable little animals and critters, some snowflakes, those florals, the trees, a wood cabin, mittens, just a fun collection that I know you're going to enjoy documenting your photos with. So one more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to join us on the Facebook group and the blog, join in on the challenges for some fun prizes, as well as seeing what everyone else is creating with their kits. Check out the store with all the other kits as well as individual items that we have in the store for you to purchase. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.